Dapat masayo para ano.
Yeah.
Kasi ikaw naman ang inaabangan ng mga yun. Lanomi.
Right.
There you go.
Okay.
Okay.
That works.
Yeah.
Bahala na kayong makinig at manood. Ng friends.
Hello, friends.
Friends. Pero very, very few pa din sa, like sa Philippines, no? Philippine culture. Very, very few yung nag-accept na the communication really happens between people and animals. Kaya parang, I mean, look at my page. It's been almost a year. But, you know, it doesn't really fly by.
Pero kasi, there are people that actually look for animal communicator, pero hindi nga ganun ka.
Hindi makita.
Hindi pa masyadong maano. So that, sa mga cat groups yan, some people look for, some people don't.
Yeah.
Some people don't understand din na, yun nga, tama, na hindi nila alam na, posible yun.
Tsaka ano kasi, paano ba? Pag nag-advert, ako kasi, member ako ng mga ibang cat groups, pero hindi ako nag-advertise ng sarili ko kasi there's a lot of people who come to me asking for help for lost pets, pero all of them don't even want to shell out some money. Parang, hello, it's understandable, I'm also wasting my time, di ba? So,
Diba, ako kasi, as much as possible, if you are asking, it's actually a service din. So, if offer ka muna. Diba? Kaya nga minsan, pag nagsasabi ako sa'yo, sasabihin ko rin, sige magbubook ako, but if you give it to me then, maraming salamat, definitely. Pero I ask muna, kasi nakakahiya naman, dahil, yun nga, it's your time.
Yes, it's time.
It's your time, and alam mo yun.
Yeah. Tsaka ano rin kasi, like although meron akong ginawan talaga na pro bono, kasi I was so concerned, parang iba yung pull ng energy sa akin nung lumapit. So, I gave the reading for pro bono. And then, multiple readings yun. Pero, it was funny because the cat in concern, tumakas kasi siya.
Okay.
So, lumayas. So, lost pet to.
Oo.
Tapos, when I was talking to the cat, lalaki yung cat. Although, alam naman natin, if they are not fixed, they will really run away, right?
Yeah, that's...
Oo. That's a given. Pero, iba yung case niya. Ang reklamo niya was, hindi daw siya na-involve sa decision making nung mom niya. Kasi they were about to leave their house. Lilipat. So, they're moving. Tapos, syempre, in the process of moving, iniiwan yung cats dun sa bahay nung mother nung guardian.
Okay.
Tapos, yung mother ng guardian does not like animals.
Oh, no. Okay.
Yeah. So the boy cat eventually ran away kasi sabi niya, I want my freedom. When we are there, we are mistreated. We are not loved. Sabi niya. So, he ran away. Tapos that cat kept coming back to me. Kasi ganun once na may communication line na yan before, they can drop in.
They remember. When they remember the path back to you.
Yeah, they remember the energy. So, they come back. Sometimes, he would leave messages for me na i-relay dun sa mom niya.
Okay.
Ganun. So, eventually, hindi na siya umuwi kasi he found a partner. Wanted to introduce the partner to me. Tapos, describe ko dun sa guardian. Tapos, ito yung funny. In fact, I found him. I know where he was. Tapos, I gave the location to the mom. The mom went to the place. Mom went to the place. Saw that particular tree that I mentioned dun sa vision ko. Pero hindi niya nakita yung parang, anong tawag doon? Yung talyer.
Parang vulcanizing.
Parang vulcanizing siya.
Yeah.
Hindi niya nakita yon. Pero nakita daw ng mga nasa paligid. So, nagtanong-tanong siya. Nakita na nga sa paligid na meron ngang said cat, yung description ng cat niya. Plus the orange cat na kasama. So, nakikita daw yung dalawang cat na yun together. But of course, ang hirap kasi kapag cat, lalo na sa condition ng streets natin. They will keep moving from place to place. So, imposible yung ni-read ko siya ngayon.
Mapipinpoint mo siya.
Mapipinpoint ko siya on that spot.
Now, nandun siya.
Yeah.
But later, you're not
Later, you
sure
don't know.
kung pupunta na.
Exactly.
Ang dami pang pwedeng mangyari in between.
Oo, yun. Kaya nga So, yun yung difficulty with lost pets. Unlike kasi sa US, that lost animals can easily hide sa mga bushes, nearby farms. Eh, dito sa atin wala namang ganun.
Wala.
Pag nawala yan dito, lalo sa Metro Manila.
Yeah, good
Yeah.
luck na lang.
Good luck, oo. May pagpatintero pa sila sa cars.
Oo nga, oo nga.
Diba? Kaya nga eh.
Tawa ko minsan pag makita ko ng puting sa kalsada.
Mm.
Hindi ko na mapupulot yan kasi
Right.
pag nakikita ko naglalakad, pinupush ko siya sa gilid. Tsaka lang, tsaka.
Oo, oo.
Sabi ko, tsaka, kamakulit. Dun, layo ka, layo. Kasi mamaya tumawid din.
Yeah, oo. Meron akong hinabol na kitten na ganyan. Diyan sa may Bonnie Avenue.
Mm-mm.
Pero natakot yung kitten kasi parang mataas yung yung Center Island.
Okay.
So, ang ginagawa niya, tinatry niya mag-jump pataas.
Oo.
Kasi may lupa. So,
Oo.
I don't know kung gusto
Baka
niya mag-bathroom o gano'n. Kasi hindi siya makakayat. So, tutulungan ko siya. Palayo sa akin kasi, ang daming sasakyan.
Oh, no.
So, hindi ko na rin alam anong gagawin ko kasi I
Oo.
can't stop the flow of traffic.
Yeah.
Eventually, I just let her be. Parang, okay,
Oo.
just stay there.
Oo.
Don't die.
Oo. Tsaka na sa gilid. Huwag kang makulit.
Liza Villamor. Hi.
Si Lisa.
Oo. Sa Alvi. Hi. Hi. Hi, darling.
Ano, Marcus lang. Nakikita ko minsan, actually, may times naman na, siguro, spending a lot of time with them, nafe-feel ko naman din yung emotional lang. Like, for instance, si Tabi, sa akin, talaga yan, kasi mama's girl, mama's boy ata yan. Pag nakikita niyang kinuha ko yung anak ni Shouty na naiwan sa akin, si Coffee, umagano siya sa akin. Naiirap.
Talaga?
Parang naiirap.
Possessive?
Parang tatampo to. Kasi alam niyang boy si Coffee. Eh, si Coffee puting
oo.
kasi.
Yun ba yung kaedad nung cat ni Nikki?
Kapatid ni Coffee.
Yeah.
Anak
Oo.
ni Shouty yun.
Oo. Pero ang laki na nila, no? How long has it been?
1 year na sila sa September 8.
Bilis pa.
I know. Si Kali kasi free roaming siya. Sa bahay nila Nikki. Sa medyo mataba yung itsura niya. Si Coffee. Gutumin. Payat siya actually. Pero, kasi hindi namin, kasi nga, pag pinakain mo ng bobotsog siya. So, mas malaki na siya kay Shouty. Ang worry ko kasi si Shouty, yung isang tooth niya, nag-chip na yung tooth niya yung isa. Ang niya next, tsaka yung hininga niya, may galunggong graveyard.
Oh no.
Mabaho na talaga. So,
ang pinakamadaling way, kuha ka ng gauze bandage. Wrap mo sa fingers mo, diba? Di ba they like VCO? You can rub the VCO dun sa gauze, tapos yun yung
try ko. Kasi free nga, spicy nga si Shouty, diba? For me to clean her ears, kailangan nasawak siya ni husband. Kasi hindi niya, si Tabi kasi pwede kong i-clean yung ears niya on my own. Shouty, hindi. I cannot. Kasi,
may pagkaano si Shotty eh.
talaga siya.
Sanay kasi siya sa outside
Eh, ang
life.
problem, yung ears kasi niya, madaling madumihan. I don't know nga kung may something. Kasi pag pinapalinis naman siya, wala namang sinabi. Yung vet. Baka may something. So,
Does she wear clothes?
No.
No.
Hindi.
Hindi rin lumalabas, diba?
Hindi, naka-confine. Yun nga rin kasalanan ko. May kasalanan nga ako sa kanya. Hindi ko siya napapasyal talaga eh. Kasi nakakulong lang siya. Pero malaki naman yung nilang dalawa ni Coffee. Silang dalawa lang yun doon talaga. So yun. So yun yung kailangan ko linisin yung ears niya. Kaya, so what more yung paglinis ng ngipin?
Kasi usually yung ganon, may cut din akong ganyan dati. Yung di naman lumalabas ng bahay, pero ang dumi ng ears. Ang ano dyan is, sensitive siya dun sa proteins nung kinakain.
Ah, talaga?
So, she produces more oil
Oh,
than
okay.
normal. Oo. Kasi, tas ang number 2 na kaya tinanong ko kung nagdadamit. Kasi may iba, pag nagdadamit sila, they feel more resistance. So, parang yung nervous system nila is always on heightened. level.
Okay.
Oo. So, yun nga, parang, it's not bad to make the pets wear clothes, pero it depends on their demeanor. If it changes, if their behavior changes, drop it.
Yeah. Si Basky, pinasot ko lang siya ng onesies kasi meron siyang
Yeah.
opera dito
Oo.
eh.
Yun
So, iba yung energy niya talaga nung may onesie siya. Nung tinanggal ko, nag-iba yung energy niya. Parang gumanon yung ano niya eh. Kaso, nung tiningnan ko, tinanggal lang yung searcher. Pero syempre, dahil nga tinanggal yung ano, may sugat ulit. Nung pinapasot ko ulit yung onesies, nag-away na naman kaming dalawa.
Ayaw niya.
Ayaw na niya ulit.
Yeah.
Sabi ko, you lie on so many things. I want you to ano, mamaya, ano na naman yan. Sabi lang, Days lang.
Jam 88.3, that is Franco with Memory Kill. And welcome back to Friday with Mari Chris of Voiceless Whispers. And we've got Salvi Pirante on Twitch who says, big shout out for Mom Mari Chris, such an amazing person and a beautiful soul.
Yes.
Thanks so much.
So if you'd like to listen and watch live, that's on twitch.tv/jam883 We Rock Radio. And I believe Mari Chris is also live on Facebook on her page. And the page is?
Voiceless Whispers.
Voiceless Whispers. So once again, Mari Chris is a Reiki healer, but she also does Reiki for animals.
Yes.
And pretty much she's able to communicate, right? So off air, you guys were talking about how some pets don't actually, it's not good for them to wear clothes.
Yeah.
Yeah, would you like to explain that?
Yeah. So it's not like a blanket statement that animals should not wear clothes, but some of them have a problem with it. They have difficulty adjusting to wearing clothes because they feel like they're not free. And sometimes even if they yield, like they are compliant to their fur moms, fur dads, they still show signs of resistance.
Displeasure.
So, yeah, displeasure, yes. So sometimes they will act out parang vocalizing, ganyan, or for cats, maybe scratching more
Yeah.
than normal.
Or they're not active. Like my
Yes.
cat, when I made her wear a onesie because she had an operation,
Yeah.
she wasn't, well, to be fair, you're not supposed to be that active naman because you just went through an operation. Pero yung energy niya talaga, parang nandun lang siya, down lang siya. Pero nung once tinanggal ko yung onesies niya, yung parang ano, yung nag-shift yung energy niya eh. Parang masaya na siya ulit. She's back to herself. Tapos when I tried putting it on again because tinanggal lang yung searcher, so may slight sugat ulit. And kasi, syempre, cats, they lie everywhere. So, I wanted her to wear the onesie again. Ilang days lang naman pa. Konti lang, para tumuyo lang yung sugat. Away kami. Buti na lang wala na siyang teeth. That's ko. Wala na, tinanggal na yung teeth niya kasi because of the, yung FELV niya.
Oh, I
So,
see.
yun. So, wala na siyang teeth.
Yeah, kasi the animals are very energetic. So, some of them would report, based on my communication and experience na rin, some of them would report like their aura is squished. So, ayaw nila nung ganon. But some will be okay with wearing clothes. Like my own cat, my very first one, the soul cat ko, no, yung sinasabi kong very old nung namatay. She likes wearing clothes, but she would say na she wears clothes for me. Because it makes me happy.
Okay.
Yeah, oo.
Ang cute naman nun.
Yeah.
Parang tao rin, di ba?
Yeah.
So, earlier you were talking to us about animals' voices, especially cats, and you mentioned that it sounds like little kids.
Yeah, like,
Can you tell our listeners more about that?
yeah, so I communicate, just to make it clear, I communicate with the animals telepathically. So it's not like you place an animal here and I can hear their
the
voice
voice.
audibly. I hear it audibly in my head. So I'm a clairvoyant, I'm also clairaudient, so I can hear sounds and voices in my head. So when I talk to them, some of them would share their voices. So they're like little kids, like, hi, hello, how are you? So I would greet them good morning, and then I will tell them who I am. But of course, part of my services, I tell the guardian to give a heads up to the animal that somebody's going to reach out to them, somebody's talking to them, and who I am. So yeah, but yeah, their voices are really, really cute.
Oh.
And some of the cats, even the macho ones, you know, the chunky, big, big brusco kind, yeah.
The poggy one.
Yeah, the poggy ones. They really have small voices. Even if they project the macho
Yeah.
image, they still have small voices.
Oh,
Even if their persona is also brusco.
Yes, yes.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Ah, interesting.
Like little kids. So if you enjoy talking to little kids, you would have fun if you're an animal coordinator.
Oh.
Yeah.
Cute.
Earlier, that was you guys were talking about. It was asking what school was.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yeah. That's also one thing, no? Animals kasi don't have the lot of vocabulary words that we have. So sometimes I end up using words na I'm not very mindful na ay hindi pala nila alam to.
Oo.
So one of the few funny things, no, we've been talking about that. April's cat was one of my readings done way back, no, when early pa lang si Voiceless Whispers. And then I was telling her that April, her mom, was actually my schoolmate, that we went to school together. So there comes the word school.
Yeah.
And then she started asking, what school? So I'm wait, how do I explain this to a little kid? What's school?
What school?
Yeah. So I told her, oh, it's a place where we go there. Our parents send us to that place in order to learn about things about life, how to conduct yourself on an everyday basis, skills that you need to survive. And she's like, what? Your mom did not teach you that?
Oh, grabe naman. Yung judgmental naman ng baby.
Yeah, but they're so cute.
I know.
Yeah.
So when you have a consultation with somebody who has a pet, let's say merong ailment yung pet, diba?
Yeah.
What are the instances that you've experienced where you actually heard them say what's going on with them, like where it hurts or what's painful?
Yeah, that's really fun. Kasi that's kind of a good question, no? Kasi one of my basics when I start communication, sometimes the guardians will ask different questions, but I pick up different other things that I think are more urgent. So when I talk to them, like this dog, I talked to this dog recently. So yung mga questions ng mom niya was about barking behavior when they go to the mall. But then I saw the dog was like scratching his right ear. And I said, wait, before we begin this conversation, I want to understand what's going on inside your body.
Yeah.
So I asked them to make me feel what they feel in their body. So I pick up the places where they itch, the places where it hurts, or sometimes like cats would come, the guardians would come to me to ask for their cat's peeing behavior, and then I would feel a burning sensation down there.
Oh,
Yeah.
you feel it.
I feel it. Yes, I feel it. So, when I feel these things, nire-relay ko yun dun sa
Yeah,
guardian.
sa guardian.
Like, you might not know this yet, or if it ever is already a current situation, medically, are you addressing it? No? Ganon. So, I relay that. So, this dog, who came to me like scratching, I told the guardian, I'm sorry, but are you aware that your dog is very, very itchy? And she was like surprised kasi that's not even part of a description or a briefing that she gave me, no? But she said later on, oh, kasi the dog's suffering from eczema on several parts of the body, etc. So I do ask. That's like part of my routine to ask them how they feel. Especially kapag naramdaman ko na may urgency or may pain dun sa image ng animal, energetically.
Yeah.
Okay. What about you, April? You
Yes.
have cats, and
Yes.
any sort of most memorable experience you have had with Marie Chris, and just interaction with your kitties?
I remember one time why did I bring Basky to the vet? I brought her to the vet. I saw a symptom. Alam mo naman ako pag nakita ko ng isang something,
yeah.
praning ka na eh. So I brought her to the vet. Tapos, nakita ko yata, nung nalaman ko na may tumor daw siya sa throat. Diba? Parang nakwento ko yata
Oo,
sa yun eh,
oo.
na may tumor daw siya sa throat. Kailangan tanggalin. Tapos nung nalaman ko yun, tama-tama that time, may din ako sa throat.
Ayan.
So
I
parang,
want to touch on that too.
yun. Kasi parang sabi ko, yun nga yung sabi ko sa kanya, parang bumagsak yung ko, sabi ko, are you trying to get yung sakit ko? Sabi ko sa kanya. Kasi nga, I remember, cats are, ikaw nagsabi sa akin, healer animals.
Yes.
So, sabi ko sa kanya, are you trying to get? Sabi ko, wag mong kukunin. Tinitingnan ko siya ng may... Kapag gumapusa, tumitingin sa'yo talaga yung nakaganyan talaga siya. Nakaganyan siya sa akin, yung titig talaga niya. Parang kulang na lang, ano niya yung mata ko eh.
Intense eye-to-eye contact.
Oo. So, I was telling her, wag mong kukunin ha. Ayoko ng ganyan-ganyan. So, yun. Can you explain yung healer animals like some
But I
guy?
don't think they can help it.
Yun.
If
Yes.
that's in their nature, they really will do it.
Yes.
Yun.
They will volunteer themselves actually. If they can, they will sacrifice themselves. This is one of the important things na I want to tell. If you're a pet guardian, you have cats, you have dogs, or you have birds or whatever, be mindful kung ano yung mga nagiging sakit nila. They mirror you. They copy you. Or sometimes they would do that because they want you to see what you don't want to see for yourself. Kumbaga, kung wala kang time to, look inside you introspectively, diba? They will do that for you. Kasi they know that you are looking at them all the time. So, ang gagawin nila, they will show it to you. Oh, I'm showing you what happened to you, diba? I'm gonna show you, you're not taking care of your throat. You have issues in your throat right now. And I will get it for you. I will remove that issue for you. And sometimes they do that out of the natural, just like DJ Rose said, diba? Parang they acting out naturally.
I have a question to follow up with that. But first, we have sino ba to? Si Fraggin Bostage is asking, can you talk to them through radio or internet? He says he has 3 cats with him right now.
Like this in this setup, no. Kasi what I do is, so I'm not, there are different kinds of animal communicators kasi. The others are more intuitive, like they just pull out cards, they get the meanings. Ako, I do everything almost like 80% telepathically. But like that, I can't do that kasi I have to reach out to the higher self of the animal. So I do that, like they have to be...
In person.
No. I mean, they have to be calm and in a relaxed state. And then I also will have to put my brain waves down into a relaxed state before we can meet halfway. It's like a bridge. So we meet halfway. So I can't do that. But I do my readings remotely, so I don't need to be present with the animal. So I just need the
video
photo.
call. Parang ganun.
A photo.
Photo lang. Photo, the name of the animal, and if you ever know their gotcha date or birth date, that would be helpful. Yun lang.
And how much do you charge for something like that?
Right now, I'm charging 2,000 per session. A reading session would last somewhere from 20 to 30 minutes, depending on what's going on with the conversation. Some conversations kasi are hard, so isa na maabot kami 45 minutes.
Baka si LC would want to get your services because his dog just died.
Oo.
That's why he wasn't here last time that he was supposed to come by, remember?
Yeah.
Yeah. So he had a funeral pa nga eh. May wake pa yung...
Mamaya yung pag dumating, naabutan mo.
He's the host for the next show.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So the question that I had for you was because I used to live in this very bad. I'm not gonna say what building name it is, but when I lived
Basta
in
yun.
that building, yung parang ang malas nang nangyayari sa akin. Not necessarily with just with a lot of things. Like I was experiencing a lot of like bad things. And at that time, I adopted a cat that I found sa labas ng jam. So I adopted it. One day I came home and it wasn't there. And then I found out that it jumped.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
So they found it sa may garage. So syempre, I felt really, really bad, diba? But eventually, when, because I was talking about it on air, somebody gave me naman a Persian cat. So I had that Persian cat. And then I went to host an event. When I came home, alam ko nandun pa siya eh.
Yeah.
When I was taking out the whiskas, usually lumalabas na yan
Right.
from wherever she's hiding. Wala na, hindi na siya lumabas. It just disappeared. I knocked on every door on my floor to ask if my cat's there. And then I already put a screen on my terrace. So I know hindi siya tumalon. It just disappeared. And I was like, I don't know what happened. But
Mortal sila.
but when I was in that building, lagi akong binabangungot. And I would see like shadowy figures. And yun nga eh. So, and when my friend who's Chinese went to my place after something really bad happened to me, sabi niya, Rowie, your place is malas. Sabi niya sa akin. Sabi ko, really? kind of see that. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I don't know if parang those cats like took whatever was supposed to happen to me while I was living there, and instead they took it upon themselves, and sila
And
yung
removed
they were the
it
ones
for
who
you.
perished, you know, or
You
disappeared.
removed it from...
But that's why na-trauma na ako to keep pets
Ah, I
kasi
see.
you know, like, diba? I mean, yeah.
I know. I'm so sorry you had to go through that.
Yeah.
That's very sad. Pero yes, one thing's for sure, no, from your story, I feel like the cats were, one, they know that they couldn't protect you there anymore. And so they had to, like, I need my way out as well. So,
Oh, really?
yeah,
Baka
kasi,
ganun kalala yung
Kasi honestly,
energy vibes.
Kasi yung
Yeah.
building na yun
Oo.
daw, ang dami daw namatay doon na na mga construction workers
Oh, shit.
because
Oh
of
my
the
God.
scaffolding, like
Right.
it just collapsed, and so I think 15 or whatever just
Oof.
died when it was being built.
That
I didn't
energy
know.
is bad.
I only found out when I was experiencing those things and I
Ah.
was moving out na sabi, ay malas nga dyan.
yeah. It's giving me goosebumps. Yeah, so yeah, I think yung cats mo took the hit for you, and also yung nawalang cat, the one who became
Yeah, it disappeared.
Yeah.
So weird.
May portal ba dito or something? What the heck, diba?
yeah.
Kasi
Yeah.
makikita mo naman if your cat leaves the... Kasi
Oh,
it's condo eh.
of course.
So maliwanag yung hallway. It's not like a dark hallway, di ba? You'll see if your cat walked out with you. Hindi pa ako lasing nun. Kasi,
Oo.
kasi yung paalis pa lang ako eh.
That's so weird. Porta siya on its own.
And house cats, they normally won't escape, di ba?
Yeah.
Takot yan sila eh.
Oo.
So,
Yeah. I don't know how your cat did that.
Nag-portal yung cat mo
oh,
somewhere.
sabi niya, kailangan ko eskapo.
Nagbukas siya ng portal. Let me out!
I don't wanna live here anymore.
Let me out of here! Let me out!
To escape.
Alright, we'll be back with more conversations. Voiceless Whispers, that is Marie Chris's Facebook page. So if you want to check it out or want to book a session with her, go on ahead and do that right now. Here is Kula Shaker with Govinda on Jam 88.3, where everything rocks.
Oh, I like that. Kula shaker.
Ata.
It's in the team.
Oh, yeah. You're very intuitive. That's nice.
Kaya daw masyado nag-ano ngayon, maingay.
Pero for the longest time talaga, ever since, you feel na you had a gift talaga.
Oo.
Or at parang kahit for clairvoyance or
Oo.
Kahit nung high school pa kayo.
Yeah, way back. Ano
Hindi nga
ba,
kami
no?
close, parang I don't know about these things about her.
Yeah, but
Ngayon ka lang nalaman yan.
I have always been branded as the weird one.
Because of it.
Yeah, because of it. Kasi even when I was younger, as in younger na parang mga 6-ish, 7-ish, my parents would tell me na lagi daw akong may nakikita. So they had to go to like a priest / shaman, whatever, para daw isara yung third eye ko. But it didn't do it didn't do heaps, you know, like it just gave me a pause for a short time.
So
you know, like,
they did close it.
they did try to close it, but
Okay.
parang it became just a curtain for me. Like, I can still see shadows,
Okay.
ganyan.
So,
So,
ganun ka.
hindi
no?
siya,
Strong.
hindi siya ganun ka-strong to block everything away. So, parang like, hell with it, let's just go back to being that. I'm already weird anyway, so.
May naba-vibe ka ba dito sa floor na to?
Dito.
Meron?
Yeah, there's a kid here.
Putang ina.
Lalaki?
Yeah. Young
Hindi
boy.
sabi ni Gina eh.
Oh my God, no.
Sabi ko
The boy is actually peeping. Ewan ko if you noticed that, di ba, I looked behind kanina.
talaga?
Yeah, oo. Ayun ko lang napansin sa boy.
Kasi when I'm here alone, lagi ako parang may tumitingin sa akin. Akala ko laging may
Oo
guest
nga.
na ako. And I'm like, wala naman
Nung
eh.
Wednesday,
Ano?
nag-board ako dito mag-isa kasi ng Wednesday.
Oh,
Kasi she had something, so she asked me to board.
Right.
Ngayon nararamdaman akong umano, ini-ignore ko. Sabi ko, putang ina, I don't have no time. My back is aching. I have a lot of songs to line up. No! Stop!
Go away.
Busy ako.
Can you tell if the spirit naman is harmless and...
Yeah, I can tell.
So yung bata,
Harmless.
Makulit lang.
Just lost, you know.
Okay.
Just moving around.
Mm-mm.
I don't know kung ano yung reason for moving around. But it feels like dito siya, matagal na. So, could be part of one of the other rooms.
Ikot-ikot lang siya.
Ikat-ikat lang. If you want the child ghost to kind of stay away from you, you wear, obsidian.
Ay, like, kaya pala.
Kaya nga, I've been looking at your earrings, sabi ko,
I have
got it.
this,
yes.
and I have an obsidian. Yung bigay ni Master
Yeah.
Hans is here. Kasi, okay.
Obsidian, tourmaline,
I,
black stones.
well, I'm pretty sure that kid does not know the concept na if matakot ako sa kanya, yung is still gonna get bound to, kasi I heard that, someone told me when my sister died, if a spirit nagpakita sa'yo, nagparamdam at natakot ka as a human na still alive, that spirit, tatagal yung time niya sa purgatory or wherever he's stuck, tatagal. So I'm pretty sure that kid is not aware of that, ano. Pero ako kasi, ayoko nang maanuhan ako. So, guys, busy ako, okay? So,
Pero just to make you understand, ghosts are, sometimes some of them don't know that they're ghosts. So I would invite you to come into a place of compassion, have pity. If you feel them
Like
here.
in the movie The Others, diba?
Yeah.
Na they thought they were being haunted.
Oo,
pero sila pala
pero
yung
sila pala.
nag-hunt.
Yeah, sila pala. So, if you feel like that, don't be afraid. Just say na, I can feel your presence, wherever you are, I'm gonna say a prayer for you now.
or sabihin ko, usually ang ginagawa ko, huwag kang papakita sa akin kasi matatakot ako.
Yeah. Oo.
Sabi ko, huwag kang paparamdam.
Oo.
Ayokong madagdagan yung ano mo.
Pero it's actually easy to get rid of them if you switch your brainwaves. Like music is the best way to switch your brainwaves. Just tune into the music that you're playing. Sing with it, you know. It changes your frequency.
Sa akin kasi before, kasi pag ako hindi ko I don't get scared na yung if I'm awake and I see something.
Right.
I'm like, okay, I saw a shadowy figure just pass by. Okay, whatever.
Yeah.
Hindi ko siya pinapansin. I don't make a
tama
big
yan.
deal out of it. So, ang feeling ko, ang ginagawa nila dati is they will go to me when I'm in bed. Kasi you're at that,
Right.
that parang yung mas
In between
vulnerable
world,
ka, diba? So, normally, I would experience mga ghostly whatever. They're trying to communicate with me when I'm in my sleep mode. Tapos, they will come to me in my dreams. I will wake up. I know it's a dream. I wanna wake up. I'm scared. Diba? Ito na naman tong parang ghost na to or multo. I'll wake up. Nandun pa rin siya sa harap ko. And during this time, I had my pets, my cat and my dog and my bunnies. They will jump on my belly to wake me up.
Oh,
Yeah. Kasi nakikita ko yung ceiling fan ko umiikot. Pero yung mumu na in my dream, nandyan pa rin siya sa harap ko. And then towards the end, sinasakal na niya ako. Kasi she was trying to tell me something but I couldn't understand. And I kept running away.
Right.
And yun nga, I felt because I was scared. Lalo akong hinahabol.
Yes.
Kasi
yes.
they're trying to listen to me.
Yes.
Diba?
Yes. And fear kasi, it drains your aura. Like we all have auric fields.
Yeah.
So when you become scared, you squish that aura. That aura is usually around mga ganyan. Yeah, like a palm's
length.
Palm's length, yeah. Outside
Emanating
your body.
from you, yeah.
Yes, so if you get scared, it gets squished also. It's close to this one. Ganyan lang, around your body. And when that happens, you leak energy. So your energy spills out. So the more that you fear, the more that they will cling to you, be around you. So don't be afraid.
So, pero it hasn't happened. That was when I lived in Pampanga. Kasi yung pinatira sa akin na house was during yung mga US soldiers when they were in Pampanga, in Clark. So it was abandoned for like 20 years or something, and it took 3 months for them to renovate it, the company. And then they put me there. So siguro when I started living there, marami ng spirito doon.
Negative
Yeah.
And then ako yung parang, sino to?
Yeah.
Diba?
Yeah.
Who this?
Yeah. So I used to drink. That's why I also used to drink so much. Kasi
Right.
if I drink,
Oo.
matapang ako.
I see.
Kahit may nakikita ako lang, pakialam,
Mm-mm.
diba?
Mm-mm.
Pero pag hindi ako nakainom, I'm very scared. Kasi
Yeah. Feel more vulnerable.
nananam ka kasi pag lasing,
Right.
diba? But now it stopped na. So I don't know why, how I was able to, I don't see them anymore.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, that's good nga eh. So I don't want to.
Yeah,
Kasi
oo.
natatakot ako matulog lagi. Every night I have to, para akong Nightmare on Elm Street na I'm so
Right.
scared na gabi na naman.
Oh no.
I can't sleep until daylight.
Oh no.
Para akong vampira, di ba?
Ako pagka minsan kasi si husband, pagka may event or dati pag nag-ano yan, minsan I can't sleep pag wala siya. But feeling ko na, ano lang yun, nasa lukbong na lang ako eh. Tapos minsan, kasi sa outside my room, kasi, bungalow lang yung house namin eh. Outside my room, there's a mango tree.
Okay.
Doon. Says, a friend of mine also.
Jam 88.3, that
Said it
is
was a portal.
Stereophonics with Have a Nice Day. We have Kruznik09 who says, stray cats keep on putting dead pests like rats on my front door.
Oh.
Is that true? Naalay nila to make me approve of them.
Yes.
Yes.
You can't hunt. Here's food for you.
Yes.
Please take me.
Please take my...
I actually saw an Instagram reel na parang sabi dun, parang nakano siya eh, yung night vision na I guess CCTV or whatever. So, it said, when you get a cat so that you can scare the mice away, but instead, the cat brings them. Dinala. Tapos dito sa leeg no. Nandun yung buhay. Did you see that?
Yeah, I
one?
saw that.
Oh my
Can you
God.
imagine? Diba? And that's not even a pet rat. It's
Yeah.
a stray rat that's
Yeah.
been whatever. I don't
Sewer
know.
rat.
Sewers and
Baby, so sweet, but you.
Yeah. My cat used to do that as well. Pero yes, that's correct. No? It's an offering for them. Maybe for asking for, please let me in, you know. I appreciate you. I want you to be my guardian. I'll be a good pet.
they're showing their hunting ability.
Yes.
Their worth. Sabi ni John Sancanto, sabi nila, akala ng mga pusa, hindi ka daw kasi marunong mag-hunt, kaya binibigyan ka nila ng food.
Correct. Ito, here human, here's your food. Your food. What are you eating?
Oh,
Eat
diba?
this.
At least I'm thoughtful.
I know. Ganyan
So
yung cats ko before. Ang una nilang inalay sa amin was sponge from my mom's room. Sponge. Bathroom sponge.
Okay.
Hinant nila from my mom's bathroom. Dinala nila sa kwarto.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, baby. So sweet.
Yeah.
Maya-maya, tumalo na sa bed, nag-drop ng ipis. Ah! Sabi nila, kas mo yan! Hindi na nag-alay ulit. I'm sorry.
My cat used to do that naman. Ang binibigyan naman sa akin, lizard.
Ah.
Dead lizard.
How do you tell them that you don't want it?
Well, actually, it's part of their nature. So, all you have to do is take it, throw it away. Thank you, baby. That's really nice. Just get rid of it, yeah.
Because when the time that we used to have about 15 cats, remember? My parents had a grocery store sa ground floor. So we lived in this complex where yung taas is the residential and then the
Right.
bottom is the commercial space. So we had a grocery store. So the cats, kasi I only have one that's in my room and then the rest, they just walk around the streets. Lagi na lang pag bubukas yung grocery, my dad always has to clean up like a decapitated rat with all the blood that's been dragged on the floor.
Yeah.
So lagi siya, hush, hush.
Oh.
Kasi umaga, he has to clean up the slaughter.
The blood bath.
But the cat's just trying to like, look what I
Yeah.
have for
Yeah.
you.
Look, bigyan embrace stuff for mama.
So I always found it
Here.
funny kasi yung tatay ko galit na galit, di ba? Pero hindi naman sila pwedeng magalit.
Yeah,
Kasi
yeah.
alam nila na alay nga.
Oo, true.
Oh, you're so sweet, baby. But no thanks.
So, are you specific with just cats or do you also do the same thing like Reiki for other pets as well, like
Yeah.
dogs, snakes?
All animals.
All
yes.
animals.
Oo.
Was there any interesting sort of conversation you've had? What's the most outstanding, memorable or surprising one that you've had? That really
I think you
sticks?
can talk about that cat that didn't want to come home anymore.
Oh, yeah. Sige. I think, yeah, that's really a good one. So, I did one session for a lost cat.
Yeah.
So, the mom reached out to me kasi first daw, she joined an animal communication group. Like, the global one for Facebook, no? Tapos, she kept asking, kasi there's like this group where animal communicators are all in there and some give free readings, no? So, she joined that group and then she kept asking, looking for her cat na lost nung time na yon. And then, nobody was picking up her request. And then, she found me. So, sabi niya, suntok sa buwan, I'm reaching out to you because nobody's replying to me, nobody's responding. Tapos, when I talked to the cat, I did find out kung nasaan yung cat. So, I described the place, the open lot where the cat was staying. There was a tree. there was a vulcanizing shop, no, somewhere down that street na nakikita ng cat. So I was able to describe what the cat sees. And then the cat was, I described also the state of that cat na pumayat na talaga siya from medyo chonky na indoor cat and then pumayat na siya. At that time, it was raining frequently. That was last year around August. Tapos, the cat said parang, we have food, like we can scavenge from trash cans, ganyan. Pero because of the rain daw, there's scarcity in leftover food na nahuhulog sa kalye, mga ganon. So, medyo pumayat siya ng todo at that time. So syempre, as part of my role, being an animal communicator, I was coaxing him na uwi ka na, di ba? Your mom is very worried about you. What is the reason why you don't wanna go home? Tapos he started saying nga na we are left in the care of the technically grandma niya, no? Kasi mother of the guardian mom. Oo. Who doesn't like cats? So they're not treated well dun sa place. And then they were in the middle of moving houses.
So lumayas siya talaga.
Lumayas talaga siya, oo. They were in the middle of moving houses. So the mom was moving appliances, back and forth. Tapos susunduin sila at the end of the day, ganyan. And then eventually, sabi niya, I don't feel like I have my freedom anymore. And I am not involved in the decision making of leaving that old place na gusto-gusto niya. So, parang eventually sabi niya, I'll just go. I want to celebrate my freedom. Tapos, sumali siya. And then, syempre, very desperate yung mom. And because we already have this link, no, kasi all of the animals who I already talked to, they have a direct link to me. So, I can, if I open all my antennas, my psychic antennas, no, I can pick them all up, the messages that they want to tell me, or even remotely. But so this cat would always jump in and leave me messages for his mom. So at that point, paulit-ulit siyang bumabalik sa akin. Nagda-drop ng message sa akin. Tapos eventually, he found a mate. So describe ko pa yung mate na cat. Tapos, kinukoks ko pa rin siya. Every time he would talk to me, I would tell him, your mom is extremely worried about you. You know, the dangers of being outside.
Yeah.
People, cars, and of course, the starvation is real, the survival is real. Pero ayaw pa rin niya. Sabi niya, I appreciate what's going on here in the outdoor life. Sabi niya, I understand yung dangers that you're telling me. Sabi niya, so far, ang dangerous lang daw sa kanya at that point were kids. Kids who were throwing stones, and
nabubuli.
Yes, binubuli yung mga cats. Pero meron daw silang community in the area. So they're like able to herd together and protect themselves. Ganun.
Okay.
Oo. Tapos, at some point, hindi na rin siya kumonect sa akin. Parang sabi na lang niya, yung last na message niya sa akin was, buhay pa siya. Sabi niya, please tell my mom not to worry anymore. I'll be okay. Sabi niya, this is now my new life.
Okay.
So, she needs to move on. Nawala ako sa life niya. Ganun.
Okay.
So they really feel like whoever is taking care of them is their parent.
Yes. Oo. Oo, they consider, pero there are some who consider their parent as their kid.
Talaga?
Yeah, oo. Meron akong nakausap na cat, ito huli. Passed on na siya, no? So, yun pala, I can also talk to animals who just passed on. If they are not yet reincarnated. So, there's like a big disclaimer there. If I cannot reach them on the Rainbow Bridge, meaning nag-reincarnate na sila, then wala na.
Okay.
If ever,
Usually a
ibang
duration of period.
no, there's no fixed duration.
really?
It's like intentional. If they want to reincarnate, if they have like a soul contract that they need to fulfill, they will reincarnate. But if not, they choose to stay. And it's like infinitely long.
Okay.
So yun, I can reach them from the other side. So there's this one cat who I talked to. She yung cat, the guardian is a male. So she considers the male dad as her kitten. So,
A very big kitten.
oo.
Yung pet.
Oo.
Yung
Yeah.
naman yung pet.
Yeah, ang sabi pa niya sa akin, my biggest regret is not being able to take care of him anymore.
Oh, it's just
Yeah. Oo. Pero yun, there are also cases where it's happy when they are on the other side. Like, I talked to this dog who had a very, very huge tumor sa bottom niya. So, every time he needs to poop, the guardian will have to, like, make manual excretion, tapos i-wipe yun. Sobrang tedious, gano'n. Parang, I think he went on like that for around 9 months or so.
Mm.
Tapos, when finally I talked to him, na other side na siya, grabe, he was so happy.
Kasi wala nang pain.
Oo.
Ay.
Tsaka, sabi niya, nakakatakbo na daw siya. And at that time, I don't know if you recall yung may wildfire sa California.
Oo.
Yeah, during that time, may wildfires, diba, going on. And then when I talked to this dog, I saw one of his friends was a horse who had a burned face, yung look ng hair niya, parang burned, ganun. The horse's name was Brittany, I can remember. So, the horse was waiting for this dog who had a tumor, diba? Sabi ng dog sa akin, I enjoyed running with Brittany because it makes me feel so free na parang nasasagad daw niya yung limit no, kung ano siya before. Kasi this dog was Pomeranian, so it's quite small. Yeah, so sobrang tuwang-tuwa siya kapag tumatakbo daw siya with. Exactly,
Okay,
diba?
ball of fur.
Small. Tapos ang friend niya, horse. Yeah. Pero after some time, nagpa-second reading ulit yung guardian kasi they were going to adopt a new dog na. So they wanted that passed on dog to pick the right one for them. Tapos I saw Brittany again. So friends pa rin sila after that time.
Cute.
And then Brittany was already, she's
Healed.
glowing na. Babae kasi
Nag-heal
horse.
na siya.
Nag-heal na siya. Oo. So it was really nice to see them like that.
When they reincarnate, do they come back as the same animal or different animals?
It's usually but I haven't experienced pa naman yung naging iba yung species. But usually they come back as the same species. So if they're cat, they might still choose to be a cat, but they can change genders. So there was one
okay.
cat who I talked to. Ito naman galing dun sa vet namin. So the cat was a rescue. Tapos yung owner had cancer. So they need to give up the care for the kitten. So dinala siya sa clinic. Meron siyang FIP.
Oo, yeah.
Oo, parang
It's
feline
It's an immunocompromised
ganun.
illness.
Medyo mababa ang
Oo.
slim yung chance of survival. So this cat eventually bumalik yung sakit niya
Yeah.
after healing. So hindi na raw nila kayang i-sustain.
Nasa
So
family.
they had to put him down. So
Like sa
tapos
pump na
the cat was the last wishes of the cat was actually to die where the owner is there.
Okay.
So for all of you who are listening to this, when you send your animals for euthanasia, I don't like the word, but yeah, if you do have to revert
put them to sleep,
yes,
yeah.
put them to sleep, please be there for them. I know it's hard, but it really means a lot for them.
Mm-mm.
So this cat in particular, request na,
Okay.
Sumilip?
yeah, touch the door. So yung cat na yan, gusto niya na pag mag-pass siya, yung hawak siya ng guardian. But the guardian did not come.
Kasi
Tapos, kahit yung
Ay.
vets, they told me, parang the cat was really looking out, waiting for
Oh,
someone.
no.
Oh, so yeah, yun. Kaya, if you do go down that route,
Be brave for your
be brave
babies.
for your pets. Yes, be brave.
I'm curious dun sa... What do you mean you touched the door? Okay, by the way, off air, okay, DJ April asked Marie Chris if she senses any spirits here. She did say that there is a little boy
Yeah.
in what do you call that? The sound
Booth.
sound
Some,
booth
yeah.
where the tech usually is.
Yeah.
Kaya siguro walang tech dyan.
Oo nga.
Sabi ng tech, ayoko dito.
Oo nga. Iwanan ko nga yung si Rowana or si Rowana.
Ako na lang mag-isa dito, kaya lagi ako may guest para hindi ako mag-isa eh. Kasi kung hindi
Tama.
ako na mag-isa.
That's smart.
So, and this is not the first time that somebody has said that may
It's
bata.
the same.
Because Gina, who also has the Soul Frequency show every first
Nag-aano
Wednesday
din
of
yun
the month, also said na when we were walking by the hallway, may batang lalaki daw nakatingin sa akin, sumusunod sa akin. Pero hindi makita yung paa.
Mm-mm.
It's like floating.
Yeah.
Sabi
Parang-
tayo na, so when
parang
Marie Chris
weird.
said na there's a little boy, I was like, OMG. That's two psychics who said the same thing, diba?
Kaya sabi ko nung Wednesday, busy ako. Sorry.
Si Joey nga eh. Off Live in Love with Joey D. Metal yun ah.
Natatense siya pag...
Takot siya. He's
The-
here from 9 p.m. till midnight.
The guy that came after, no, kasi nag-board ako dito nung Wednesday. So, nung
Yeah.
dumating na si Joey, Siya na yung naiwan. Wala pa yung guests niya.
Music nun, mga sorry, I'm scared. Kaya, yung mga guests niya, pinapapunta niya around mga 10, 11. Para by
Right.
midnight, marami
Sabay-sabay
na
sila.
Oo.
That's a good strategy.
So, nasan siya kanina dito?
Nandun siya.
Hanggang ngayon?
Yeah, he's been playing by the door.
Oh, really?
Okay.
Yeah.
So, okay.
Pero he's not, kasi sabi mo, ano sila sa Obsidian. So, ano siya, okay lang naman siya dyan.
Okay lang naman.
Okay. Kasi nga,
Alam lang niya na pinag-uusapan siya, so it's like, taking the limelight. And also because of Ghost Month, no?
Oh,
Ghost
yan
Month
pa.
kasi ngayon, August 23 until September 21.
yes.
Oo. It's like the veil between
The
the
living,
real world and the spirit
their
world
realm,
is kind of thin.
Oo.
So expect that they will be, it's easier for them. Kasi usually when they make noises, movements, or they try to make themselves seen, they need energy for that, diba? And the reason why you're feeling it more here is because you have a lot of gadgets here. Yeah, they can consume energy
Alam,
from
yeah, from
electricity.
airway,
Frequency,
yeah,
airwaves.
alam ko, yeah.
Yeah.
I think that's what I also picked up from someone did say that sa NU. That's why I got it. Hi, Elsie is
This is
running.
Mary Chris.
Hi.
She's an animal communicator.
Hi.
I was listening.
You're okay.
I'll
Ayan.
talk to you later.
Yeah.
Paano yung kanina dinabangga yung...
Nung bata nung pumasok si Elsie.
Ha?
Ha?
Nabangga yung bata nung pumasok si Elsie.
Well, oo, pero not really bangga kasi they're already
There's a
spirit.
ghost over there.
Mm-mm.
Oh shit.
Wala na siya ngayon, wala na.
Wala,
But
umalis na
he
siya.
was,
Kasi yung Elsie.
he was feeding by the door kanina.
Okay, ayan.
We were just talking about ghosts last night.
Oh yeah, last night.
Funny.
Yun yung topic. Nakakatawa pa kagabi kasi yung mga guests niya, comedian.
Oo.
Comedian, tapos naging horror story. Tapos ito, napampagulo, akala mo scary story. Yung
Oo.
pala may punchline. Joke pala yun. Sabi ko, nalilito ako, hindi ko alam kung tatawa
Kung tatakot ba ako, tatawa ako.
Dude, I slept at like 1 a.m.
Nakakatakot.
Hindi naman, kasi I'm very interested kasi in these topics. Yung mga esoteric,
Right.
all of that. So when if I delve into it, it wakes up my mind.
Right.
Instead of basically it means it's not boring for me, right? So kaya kagabi nahirapan kasi ang dami ko iniisip.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But what's your advice for our pet? Ang ingay mo naman, ano ba yan? Elsie talaga. Kaya tuloy sabi ng bata, alis na nga muna ako dito. Dito na si Elsie. Magkano muna tayo? Sige, so you can set that up. Let's go on a quick break. We'll be back with more of Marie Chris of Voiceless Whispers right here on Friday. Jam 88.3. Here's Jewel. You are meant for me on Jam.
So you understand.
Oh, tapos tumigil ka ngayon. Walang music ako. Talaga.
Tapos na eh, kasi so you understand animals.
Yeah.
She talks to my cats.
And I was listening na eh. And you were saying that you're telling your cat na don't get my sickness.
Yeah.
Pero she also told, siya rin yung nagsabi sa akin, na yung sabi sa akin ng cat ko, she can't help it.
Yes.
Cats would get that.
Here's my card.
Yes, thank you so much.
She will, parang, siya rin yung nagsabi na healer cat yun.
Yeah.
Do dogs also do that ba?
Yes.
She talks to dogs, too.
All animals.
Kasi my dog has had cancer.
Let me stop you there. I want to give you some piece of advice regarding cancer for animals. Cancer for animals kasi is not natural. It's not right for animals. Pero because the animals are healers and they take pity on us because we don't necessarily have this, awareness of our own energy and our own body. So they take that from us. So dogs with cancer are actually mirrors to your lifestyle. I'm gonna say this bluntly. Your lifestyle is poor. It needs an upgrade. So, kaya nagkasakit yung dogs because of that. You have to take care of every nitty-gritty details. Like, number one killer that is not obvious, EMF, cell phones, Wi-Fi.
Hmm.
They're very,
Bluetooth,
they're, yes, Bluetooth also. They're very energetic beings. So,
Remember,
kapag expose sila lagi sa ganun, they get extra heightened senses.
Correct.
April, June,
Hello, hi.
and this their guest.
Hi, Mary Chris.
Yeah.
She's
Animal communicator.
Yeah, and psychic. Yeah.
Amazing.
like a whisper.
Will that be disruptive? Go ahead.
Yeah, so we were just talking about cancer for animals. So I was just, yun nga, whenever our animals suffer cancer, it's a mirror of how we are holding our own lifestyle, our body. So yun, they take in a lot of those hits for us. So ang number one advice ko dyan, if ever your animals will start having a diagnosis na meron silang cancer, you have to pay attention to what you eat, calm down your nervous system, like do things that really tone down, cut down your stress, sleep, food, hydration, all of that, prayer, going to temples, meditation. I know all of that sounds woo-woo, but it's really the things that take care of our energetic body. And because we have pets who are very energetic beings, they really adapt to that. So, pag may cancer talaga yung animals mo, or may sakit even, kasi they mirror us. They mirror us to show us what's lacking inside of us. Kasi alam nila, nakatingin tayo lagi sa kanila, di ba? When we come home, tayo nakamonitor agad tayo sa kanila, whatever they do, they eat, whatever they want to, bawa, dogs mo, we walk, ganyan. Alam nila that you look at them all the time, so papakita nila sa'yo what's wrong with you. Ganun yun. So they mirror what's happening. Yes. Like si April, diba? Nagkaroon ng
Yung
throat
cat
tumor.
ko, I brought her to the vet. For some reason, I forget kung ano yung nakita ko sa kanya. So I brought her to the vet. Tapos nung chinek siya ng vet, may tumor daw siya sa throat. Nanlumo ako kasi that time, lagi ako may sa lalamunan.
Yeah.
Tapos naiiyak ako. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, do not get my illness. Sabi ko
They
kasi,
can't help it.
Yes.
yung sabi nga nung kinausap doon si Basky, sabi niya, ang sabi sa kanya ni Basky, she can't help it kasi healer cat daw siya. Hindi niya.
Hindi healer cats. Are there animals that are not
They're
naturally?
they're all healers, but some of them are more inclined to help you via healing. Some of them, parang yung tinutukoy natin ng mga brats, they try to help you in another way, not energetically. So,
Goldfish, wala namang magawa.
But try to absorb a little bit of,
What
they can actually do that.
What can happen?
yeah.
Elsie, I'll teach you how to do this, okay?
Where are you going?
I'll teach you.
Oh my
Where are you going?
This is here. So just, if you're gonna turn on the mics, just turn these 4 on. It's like piano, right? Press that and then it's on. If they're gonna be off, press it again. And then here, just make sure it's up here. Just get the songs. And then
Hi, April.
press play.
Mary
Hi,
Grace.
Mary Chris.
Hello.
Where are you going?
Huh?
Don't worry, I will get it. Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere
She's
tonight.
going somewhere.
Don't go anywhere tonight. I wanna. Let's-
Such a long time.
Bro, this is Cherry.
Hi.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Do you guys know each other?
No.
Okay. She's a singer ni Cass. It's a Strawberry Fields.
Oh yeah. Okay.
And Cass also played for your song.
Yeah,
Stay.
No, for your song. Cherry, but not Cherry of Cherry Bomb. You know that band?
No,
Cherry.
no.
I've been looking for that girl.
Sige na. Para yung ano.
Where the hell are you going? You're not gonna join me?
Para makita ka naman ni Lisa.
Your first song.
Para makita ka naman ni Lisa.
Oh my God.
You got two beautiful ladies with you. It's still the piano. Turn on.
This is my good friend, my high school classmate, April.
You're gonna leave me wrong.
You're gonna be fine.
Okay, I might fuck this
Show
up,
you
ha?
the rest of the room.
That's why I'm gonna be here while you do this.
Alright. Pero naka-ano na to?
Okay, let me
Everything.
record this. So later on,
It's never too late to learn new skills.
How do you turn it on and off? Press the
Hold on, Ro. Where was the ano?
Dami mo ano ah. Ang dami na.
Kaya mo yan. Kaya mo yan, Nancy.
Did we send the songs from the ano? To the engineer?
Yeah, so go to, I'll teach you.
Library?
Go to this one.
What's this one?
Nakaka-tense yan ah. Habang tumataas yung mga kanta, tapos parang,
Talaga?
wait, ano ba? Kasi, so if you look at this, parang nakaline, parang siyang
Even
Spotify
your
list na may
reklamo songs
song.
are
Right.
Pero unlike Spotify list, nauubos yung kanta. Kasi naka-deck, ano siya, parang na-assign siya sa deck. You have to keep adding. The time is running. So, kung the time yung nagka-line yung time, so,
Yay!
pag yung
So how do I put that
for instance,
here?
nilutin kami 6, may naka-line up until for 1 hour. So,
Okay.
I had
What
time.
time?
A little bit. So, you have to check yung
Anywhere
log
there?
kasi kung may
Yeah, just leave one
commercials need
stop
to
so
be
that
put like at a specific time.
Okay.
So, yun yung
Because if you move it
inuna
all the
ko.
way to the top,
Kakatama ba yung, o yun yung next hour, ano ba yung mga commercial lalato mo? Now, magla-line up ka ng, la-line up mo yung mga breakers, yung mga top of the hour na ganito. Tapos, okay, ano yung kantang ila-line up mo?
Kaya nga eh.
So, parang syempre, titimplahin mo. Gusto ko pagkakagay. Kailangan, pero din dapat, I can't keep playing all hard. Though I kind of want to minsan. So, line up ka. Anong bagay dito? Mamaya pagtugtog mo, hindi bagay yung pag ano.
What do you mean by hindi bagay?
not so much. I'll record.
Yung pasok, parang minsan kasi, there are songs na,
Iba.
pag nag-end siya, yung pasok ng next song swabe. So, hindi
Oh, I
siya
see.
jarring.
Right.
Parang gano'n.
Parang hindi naman magugulat yung listener.
Oo. Though minsan, nangyayari naman. Tapos may kausap ka pa dito, yung mga nasa Twitch. Yung
You have a date
nag-uusap.
though.
Oh, okay.
So minsan, gano'n. So nakaka-tense din.
Nakakangalan.
Nakaka-tense din yan.
I prefer
I'm happy for you.
I'm happy.
Woo, Elsie! Ooh, look at that.
It suits you.
It's the pleasant.
Elsie boarding.
Oh my gosh. She's like picking up her bag.
Kaya na si Elsie. Kaya na niya.
Are we live?
Na,
We're on Twitch. Yeah, we're on Twitch.
Guys, you can go Facebook Live, Cherry.
Saan?
Okay, Facebook.
Sarili niyo. Diba? More, ano, the better.
Parang akala ko hindi ganun ka-stressful. Stressful din pala. I mean, I'm just, yung nagsabi ka lang na ano, di ba? We can hang out dito for 8 p.m. Ganun.
Yeah, I'll just end it
I
with.
don't even know if I have a
You're naman
playlist
if I fuck
anywhere.
Huh?
Where yung songs. And I don't even have
No, I'm not
Yeah,
listening.
I was just thinking kanina, parang sabi ko, shit, ang stressful din pala na
Wherever you
nagsisira
are,
ko.
I think the listeners will have a lot of fun anyway.
parang yung Wednesday. Meron ako naka-line up. Pero pag nandito na ako, parang hindi ko
and
feel
after
yung
the show,
Hindi mo na
how's
feel.
it
Ayan,
Yeah, do you see the thing that
Yung
is
gusto
nearing
kong,
the red bar
Ayan.
on top? That means the song's about to end, so you know to get ready.
And I can pause it.
No,
You can
magsa-stop
pause it, but
ka.
you just let it play. See, do you see it? It's
Where's Where's this mic?
turn this on. Jam 88.3.
0.3!
We have an intern.
That was Annie
Brand
Lang.
new DJ at Jam.
You just heard the
DJ Elsie.
I'm on the booth. I'm sitting on the booth.
Look at all these ladies around you.
Oo nga. Wow.
Oo nga, no? Oo nga.
I'm used to that.
Sabi pala nila dyan sa, sa Twitch, continuation daw ng topic kahapon, yung mga ghost stories.
You like
Saya
that?
daw,
No, it
yeah.
was fun. That's
Ooh.
Sabi ni
Tama-tama, dito
sabi
si
ni France,
Maricar.
sabi ni France and Furious, magpapasama daw siya sa misis niya sa banyo, sa
Oh.
CR.
Tama-tama, dito si Maric.
Or
So.
conspiracy theories. That was fun. That was fun last night.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Added some conspiracy theories.
But let's not tell Juno and Cherry about the one that was here earlier. Baka matakot sila eh.
I'm not scared of ghosts though. I've had a few experiences.
Do you have an
Right now?
Do you
You have a third eye or something?
open ba yung third eye mo,
Oo,
Cherry?
super.
Ito yan! Dalawa pala kayo eh.
I'm used to it already.
So may nakikita ka.
Not here, but yeah, like a bunch. Bunch of times.
Siya kasi nakakita dito.
Tapos sumusunod rin sa akin. Parang
Ay,
tatlo.
Lalaki.
Tatlo daw. Oo daw. Lalaki din.
Lalaki lang
Facebook.
talaga.
Ay, baka ghost ka.
Nagtatago.
Ibang klaseng ghosting naman yun.
Marami yung ganyan. But anyhow, we're going to have 8 at 8 in just a little bit. But first, to all the listeners of Friday with Mary Chris of Voiceless Whispers, once again, make sure that you check out her Facebook page so that you can get a session if you would like to find out more about your pet, whether they are currently alive or they are deceased. She can also communicate with those pets who have already passed on. I have a question for Mary Chris. Is there a way to repel absorbing negative energy from others? Because there are people who are a little bit more empathic or who can absorb energies. Is there a way to kind of protect yourself? Sabi nila kasi, I saw a post na, even if you kiss someone and they're going
their
through
energy.
something, like some traumatic experience, that you can absorb it and then you take that onto yourself. Diba? How do we avoid that?
Even handshakes do that.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Even when we're sitting close to each other like
Yeah.
this, our auras will merge or meld together. At some point, there's like an exchange of information.
Okay.
Yeah. So, kaya nga be careful with people who touch you. Be careful with people who...
So be careful
who
with people you date.
Yes, exactly.
That's why I haven't been
You're
doing
not
it.
leaving anymore. You're
True.
staying.
That's why I haven't. Because yun nga, I'm taking care of my
Right.
Your aura.
Yeah, so how
Your
can you
energies.
prevent from absorbing it?
To some extent, some people can prevent by wearing gemstones and crystals, but if there are some exchange happening that you cannot really do away with, what you can do is like take
Exchange happening.
Energy.
There's no
Energy.
exchange.
Yeah.
Okay,
Sorry,
got it.
like, oh shit, what did I just say?
Date mo.
Anyway,
Okay, sorry, na-distract.
Yeah, but if ever there are some debris that will get into
Yeah.
your aura, no, what you can do is like take auric showers. Whenever you take a shower, you envision like it's like a shower for your aura. So when you actually go into the shower, like take a bath, no, imagine that there's like a band of rainbow colors passing through your body as the water
Washes
cleans,
away
yes,
that
washes away.
negative energy.
Imagination.
Mental, oo. It's how good you can do visualization.
I
Like
believe in that.
yes, you have to. The mind is very
I think
powerful.
imagination is the key to everything.
Yeah.
To everything.
Especially if you're a creative person, then you can really envision that.
Oh yeah, that's true. The most creative people can even visualize like temples and golds and whatnot. You know,
I can
it's just
visualize
a.
lot.
It's like it's also like a
What
muscle.
about those sound baths where
Yes,
you
that
play
one.
gongs
Yeah.
and then you like do a sage?
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
Have
I
you-
say
Have you ever done that, Juno Red Feather?
No, because I make soaps, right? Artisan soap, so there's a blend of essential oils and then there's like a whole ritual behind it. So I've been watching some videos and apparently it started from it's like an Eastern belief,
Yes.
you know, sound bath.
Yes. Sound bath. So the other options are aside from gemstones, auric shower, sound bath, visiting sacred places like temples and churches. Also grounding in nature can help you.
Ground.
Yes, yeah, like walking barefoot, grass, soil.
Last time I did that, puro ako bubo.
saka naglakad. Sa good question.
Mali.
You have an hacienda in Antipolo, right?
Oo.
So go barefoot there in your backyard overlooking
Tanggalin mo yung mga bubog para
the
maka-barefoot ka.
Yeah, that's perfect actually. Oo. Tapos you do meditation, you do you can also do grounding, no, even yung not barefoot. Grounding lang when you meditate. Like trying to release the negativity, like the fear. Ako before I do a reading and before and after, I do grounding para ma-reset lang ang energy.
Okay.
Oo, ganun.
Alright, well, thank you so much for joining us. Are you gonna join the 8 at 8?
Yeah, manggugulo lang ako.
Alright. Awesome.
I'm gonna talk about music.
Yeah, so now it's time for 8 at 8 with LC De Leon and DJ April, and we're talking about the top 8 albums, right?
Yeah, definitely. And,
Dito muna ako kasi i-monitor ko ang ating bagong DJ.
Oo, ang ating DJ.
intern here.
Intern.
I put a song before we start. So let me just. Here's one. I like this song. then I just press the play here, di ba?
Are you asking me or the listeners?
Okay na sa
Hold
Okay,
on.
sige, let's see.
I'll press the play here. In the
You
right
can
side
do
of the
it. You
screen.
can do it.
You can do it!
Here we go. This is Sunshine of Your Love by Cream. One of my favorite songs ever.
Jammy.
Jam 88.3. Why is it not playing?
That's not the tagline, yo.
Are you pressing the right
You gotta
button?
drag it up there.
Ah! Try to do like that.
Yeah, you do like that.
Like that? And you press
Green one.
that?
like that.
The green button that's flashing.
Yeah, that says play.
Oh yeah. There you go.
Yeah!
First song.
I've got this.
Layas na.
Job now.
Tingnan ko yung comment ng mga Twitch.
Oh my God. Oh,
Yeah, you can check this. Mamaya pa yan kasi delayed yung content.
Which is the ano, diba? The parang video.
April, dito ka lang. April, I don't go anywhere. Yeah, stay here.
Ano lang kayo kasi traffic pa naman eh.
Anita lang naman
Oo
tayo.
nga, traffic din.
How are you, girl? How have you been? How many years?
I know, like, I don't know. 2012 pa? Di ba?
Baby na, right?
So, magka-craft.
Two already.
Oh, sure.
Hanap tayong garage to nung sa
Family life? Well, they're in the States. And then I'm separated.
MTV, ano, MTV.
That's nice.
You only have to take care of yourself?
Okay.
Come on.
I just don't know. Yung binigay kasi sa mukha ni Master
Yeah, but I kinda
hindi
sense
kasya.
that.
So, nilalagay ko lang sa
Your
bag.
post.
Na kaya namang sabihin, hindi ko
Yeah.
siya kasya. Still, thank you na lang ako. So, nilalagay siya sa bag ko.
Like
What
what they
did
say,
he
life
give you? Like
begins at
something
46.
from
Obsidian. Obsidian. In general, obsidian or evil eye na isa
Not
na
yet.
coins.
Kasi it's fresh.
Titignan ko nga
Yeah,
yung
they
earring mo.
left
Obsidian.
So that they can study there.
Ito hindi, ano lang to. Magkano lang to eh.
Yeah, and then I
Ito,
don't have
I got
family
this.
eh, so
Yung mga
My dad
5D
has
healing.
a
Some
yeah.
story.
I don't want him to grow up
Yeah.
with just a nanny.
Ayun.
You know, my cats all have
Single
ano,
life.
their own ganyan.
Yeah,
Talaga,
basically.
Kasi yung boy ko,
That's good though.
Very
I mean,
sensitive,
like,
he would,
it's freedom.
You're not alone.
Yeah, I guess. I mean, I didn't imagine it would be like
tapos,
that, you know.
ano, pag tinanong siya, what do you see?
Ah.
Bakit ganyan ka? Ganyan. Sabihin niya, ano, yung mga bumababa doon na gusto.
2 years, you just had a
From the ceiling?
Yeah.
That worked out
It was,
okay.
I was dating.
I don't know
So
kung
that's
may
not
times
counted,
nakita
no?
sila. May times na. Patingin ng gano'n. Yung
Okay,
dalawang
it's
cats
artista,
ko,
but it's-
hindi yung si
Oh my
Waffle and
goodness,
Pan.
please.
Nilagay kasi namin yung
You dated
cage
some
nila
artista.
outside my room.
Yes, right.
Eh, di ba may mango tree?
Mm-mm.
So, dun sila nakatingin lang.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Nakatingin sila lagi.
Way to,
Though,
like,
feeling
complicate
ko,
your life.
yung neighborhood cats din kasi
yan, drama-free.
maano, nakikigulo.
Elbows.
Though I also feel, baka marami silang ibang nakikita rin, ano, aside from the cats, baka meron ding mga ipis, yung mga whirring, kasi nasa labas sila eh.
High profile.
So yun, sila shouty kasi
They have an identity.
sa may garage nakalagay.
These musicians, it's
So
just
dun,
really the...
dun sila nakapwesto, silang dalaw, si shouty
Those
siya
are
si
actors.
Ghost.
I mean, that's the...
Pero yung dalawang kapatid ko, ano,
You don't know...
nandun sila sa mango tree. Feeling ko yun yung may nakikita sila. Aside from the birds, ano, kasi mango tree yun, so ang daming,
After this song, it'll stop
ang
automatically,
daming ano.
right?
Pero yun, so,
Then, it won't play the
dahil
next
sa
song.
labas
I have to drag it.
hindi naman
there.
laging naka.
Yeah,
On that
unless you
Bring it
put
on
another
there.
song at the bottom, then
Nafe-feel
it's
ko naman yung
gonna,
bahay.
it's gonna line up
But if
automatically.
there's a stop, there's a stop.
Yeah.
Sabi nung friend, nung isang...
See? I
kilala
told
ko din
you.
na nakakaano. Meron daw akong dalawang kasama.
So 8 albums, your
Mga-
choice, right?
I forget.
Yeah,
Pero-
no, your
pero
choice. And they'll talk about it.
Makulit lang sila.
Kaya yan, mabilis lang yan.
What do you mean by kasama?
And then if you plan to extend, just in case, if you want to extend past 9 o'clock,
I forget.
just play all the local,
No, just put
all
Basta ang dami ko
PM.
na nakausap, may mga nakakabit daw sa akin.
Yeah.
May isa sa
I lined it
akin,
up for you
nakakabit sa
just
akin,
in
mantis.
case. But you can just like let
Favorite mga
that.
mantis.
So just delete the stop
Make
and
that guy
rekey.
was
Then how do we just
That other
right click?
Right click and
This
then
one.
cut.
Delete.
Cut.
May dalawang
Yeah.
na elemento yata nakakabit na.
Jam 88.3, and that was Cream by...
And that was Cream
Sunshine of Your
with-
Love by
with,
Cream.
yes.
Ito na ako. See, because this is so new to me. Like, I'm
But-
literally in control.
Yes, you
Yeah,
You
are.
are.
I'm a control freak by nature, so I should like...
You will thrive with this.
I should thrive.
You
but
will.
I am actually scared. Because I might...
just-
You don't look scared. You already have the
I know.
relaxed
Time is
look.
always hard.
That's how I compose myself, guys. That's
It's always scary the first time.
first time.
What are we talking
What
about?
are we talking about? Me on the mood. I was always.
I'm gonna say it's been a long time. I don't remember how it feels.
It's been a long time.
Nako!
What are we talking about again? Being in
First time.
Bibigyan na kita. sabay ba yung first time?
Sabi nga nila, di ba? First time never dies. Is that a song?
First love, oo.
Never die. Pero yes.
Kanta pala yun. I should write.
Mag-agree ako, yes.
I should write a song that's called First Time Never Dies. Anyways, we are now, it's 8 o'clock na pala. So yeah, welcome to Top 8 at 8. We're gonna be listing our favorite albums. So April, you better think about your favorite albums in the world. Pati si Maricris. Maricris,
Na-pressure siya.
our
Pressure
dog
ako.
whisperer.
Hindi ko siya yung-pressure masyado, okay? Hindi, kung ano na lang ang maisip.
Oh, sige, sige.
Ano mo-communicate?
Yeah.
Sorry, I forgot to ask. Maricris, do you also talk to iguanas and snakes and
Yeah,
reptiles?
yeah.
What
Yeah,
are
you know what the worst kind of animal I've talked to? It's actually an insect. I was able to talk to a cockroach.
Are you serious?
Yes, I am. Yeah.
Can you teach us how to talk to cockroaches so I can get like that to not go in our
That was the gift that he received from that.
Oh, I didn't know. Yeah. I don't think I've seen one.
What did the cockroach
Tell you.
Yeah, what did the cockroach say?
The cockroach was actually very defiant, no? That's the main description that I want to give. Oo. And he said his name was Henry.
Wow.
And yeah, I was asking him what he's doing inside my house, and he said, I just wanted to eat. Like I can smell the food.
English to?
Ah?
In English or Tagalog?
The communication kasi happens energetically. So whatever you're more comfortable with, like I can speak better in English than in Tagalog. So
Okay. So
nata-translate.
translate.
Oo.
I see.
Parang Google Translate.
Parang may Google Translate sa'yo.
So, ano
Yeah.
ba yung sabi ng cockroach ni Henry?
sabi niya sa akin, why did I want him out of the house whereas he just wanted to eat? He can clearly smell the very strong cat food that was exposed near the window. And I said, I don't want you here because you bring diseases. Like, I don't want my cats to get sick. I don't want us to get sick. So I need you out of the house. And he said, okay, I understand what you're saying, but I'm just trying to survive. So why are you, yeah. Entitled, really.
Titled ka.
Assertive siya.
Yeah.
Magdebate, parang lawyer.
Yeah, and then he said, okay, I will yield to you and leave your house, but I don't trust you. Kasi at that time, I was holding, I was holding not an insecticide. Yeah, I was supposed to kill it, but, kasi kami, we're practicing Buddhism at home, so we don't actually kill. But I was having this spray on my hand. It's like a anti-cockroach spray. I forgot.
repellent.
Like essential oil based siya. Ganon.
repellent.
But it doesn't kill the
It doesn't kill, yeah. So it will just drive it away kasi malakas yung smell. And he said, okay, I will leave, but I don't trust you. I know that you want me out of here. I can smell whatever you're holding right now. Sabi niya. Okay, sabi ko, sige, I will leave the room. I want you out. Oo, ganon. Masyado silang defiant. Yeah, masyado silang defiant.
I mean, the perspective.
Damn.
Yeah.
But I would
Yes.
expect them to be defiant.
Yes.
They are, diba?
Oo.
Yeah.
Rule the world.
I know.
When
Damn,
all of
when
us
we're
are
all gone.
Well, that's Wally, remember?
Well,
They're the only ones that are living organisms that still
The ones who love to fly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sana na yung the wing.
Yeah.
Sila yung matapang.
The roaches that fly are female.
Oh.
Remember, in the animal kingdom, females are stronger.
Talaga?
Well, what's that saying?
Not just in the animal kingdom.
Female of the species.
Deadlier. Right.
In the animal world, and
What's about the
same with humans. I would
lioness
think
and
so.
You're not afraid right now?
Of roaches?
No, of females. We were surrounded by females.
I think you guys should rule the world. That's what I think.
Oh.
I think the world would be a better place if it's ruled by women. That's another topic. That's a deep topic.
Yeah, but I agree and disagree.
Juno season. I mean Juno Red Feather. You disagree that
No, I
females should not.
agree that women should lead. Well, it's still a fallen world, but that's not the original design of the divine. Men are really supposed to lead. To lead. So that's why it brings us back to the original sin, the fall of Adam.
Mhm.
That's the first failure of Adam, which is
That's
to
right.
lead
That's right.
Eve
That's
away from temptation. But what did he do?
Yeah.
He dabbled himself into
That's right,
whatever
that's right.
was happening. His role was to get out
Right.
of there.
Right.
But
Right?
the other story was when God said, "Hey, you know what? I'm gonna give you a gift, but it might cost. No, this thing I'm gonna give you is perfect. It will cook for you. It will be the best partner. Yada yada yada.
Part of you.
It's gonna be a part of you." And Adam said, "How much is it gonna cost? Oh, it's gonna cost an arm and a
This is a
leg.
joke.
An arm and a
Okay.
leg." And Adam goes, "Wait." What can I get for a rib?
Well, what if
Kaya
Adam
na.
actually was the one who bit the apple? That's why men have the Adam's apple.
Why do we have Adam's apple and Eve was supposed to the person who did that?
Kaya nga, because he
Doesn't make
lied and
sense,
said
right?
Eve did it.
And hold on, and in the Bible,
That's a nice one. Yeah.
All men have
The
that
truth
apple.
was
Yeah.
stuck there.
the Bible never said apple. It just said forbidden
Fruit, yes.
And it could be a pomegranate.
It's not an
It's not
apple.
a-
Yes.
wala naman apples.
different for all you know.
Oo nga. For all we
But
know,
right now-
pakwan yan.
Going
Ang
back,
pakwan, di ba?
But ang hirap kasi sabihin pakwan's apple.
Adam's pakwan.
but seriously, if you look at the societal problems nowadays, it's really because of that. Men fail to lead, right? Sorry. Men fail to lead.
Especially
Some
now.
marriages, right? So women are no longer just, and women are no longer just taking care of the home, tending to the emotional needs of the kids. We now have to make money ourselves.
Right.
That's where there's like a power dynamic
Mm.
going on.
Yeah,
A power struggle.
Some men
Yeah.
are in their feminine.
Energy.
They want to be baby. They want to be baby. They want to be the one.
I want to be the princess.
Yeah, exactly.
I am so in tune with my feminine side. Sobra. Like sobra. I'm like
I
so
think you're
pikay.
emotional.
I'm
Not
very
just sexual
pikay.
is
You're not
different
pikay.
from
I
being
think you're
feminine.
emotional.
I'm very true. I'm actually lesbian by heart.
Okay?
I like girls.
Well,
Sorry. Welcome to Top 8. Talking about something social,
exactly.
Si Juno kasi.
Ayan, sige na.
Okay, Juno.
Take the mic away from
Okay, Juno, hold on. Rowena Ruiz, aren't you supposed to
Yeah,
go on a date?
I'm just making sure. I'm not gonna
Kaya
go
mo
on
na
a
to.
date.
I got it. Get out of here.
Wow.
pinapalayas na ako ngayon,
Diba? Enjoy. No, some of my friends enjoy. I really, I'm very, very happy for you.
I don't have a date.
Okay.
I just have to go somewhere.
Okay.
With friends.
Somewhere. Wink, wink. Okay.
Over the rainbow.
I hope it's somewhere safe.
Huh?
I hope it's somewhere
She's
safe.
a big girl. She'll take care of
No,
it.
she's not big at all. She's a tiny, sexy lady.
We're not talking about Juno.
I know, I know.
She's a tiny, sexy lady. You can kick
Who
your
needs to
ass.
be taken care of?
You can kick men's ass with your kung fu legs.
No, Rowan's a softie. I know this girl.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Okay, let's start the show then. April, these two are both singers. The reason I invited them because I played guitar for both of them. Juno, I I dabbled some guitar
Uh-huh.
for your solo stuff before. I remember, and we had
We gigged in Peligro. For
Peligro.
a couple of
It's a
times
long time
with
ago.
Albert,
Yeah,
another
yeah, yeah,
producer.
yeah. I remember. Yeah.
with Marco Cuneta, who's now the bassist of
And Br-
Razorback.
and Brian.
Brian.
Brian
There you
Velasquez.
go.
God bless his soul.
I know.
Yeah.
I remember that.
Long time ago.
But even before that, we used to jam
That's right.
for heavy traffic. I don't know, for some reason we were supposed to
Yes.
go somewhere, like abroad.
Yeah, something. And that's the history of our music involvement with each other. And Cherry also, being a singer, I never really played for you, Cherry,
You did.
professionally.
You did for
I
Shiva. For, well, PYC back in the day.
Yeah, because I wrote all your songs.
Wow, really? Ha?
And they stole
He likes
they
to
didn't
take
steal,
credit
they just
for
used my
everything.
songs
But we
for your band.
co-wrote it together.
Whatever. I have never
Oh
mind.
my god.
We'll talk about that next time. But yeah, and the reason I invited you two is because I want to talk about the best albums in the world. Let's do it. After